Hello, good morning to everyone. Welcome to Tech Easy. Today in this video, I'll tell you how you can use this light stand tripod as the tripod for the camera. Actually, see here, this is DJI Osmo Pocket 3, which is the pocket size camera with the CMOS sensor, 1-inch sensor, and usually people use this for the outside vlogging. See, this will get the best camera quality. Say for example, if you are doing indoor conditions, means like kitchen or cooking vlogs, cooking videos, or this type of unboxing videos or anything, you want this camera should be mounted to one stand. And first of all, this stand is 11-inch stand. You can just increase the height here. I'll show you. You can just loosen this up and you can just adjust the height up to 11-inch. This will be adjustable. Okay, I'm not fully making it tall enough, but you can use this. And not only this got a mobile holder. I will use this one also. Here you can rotate this, so you can keep this mobile inside this in the vertical or in the horizontal wise. I'll show you that one also. Yeah, see here, you can just keep the mobile holder like this, and you can also rotate this, whether you can record the videos in horizontal and vertical, means for the long format videos or the shorts or reels. At the same time, you can keep this DJI Osmo Pocket 3. And first of all, if you want the full details how to assemble this or how to use this, you can find another video in the description. Means I just unboxed this light stand tripod and I did a detailed video. Just check in the comment section below. Yeah, actually I said right. This is the light stand and this is the light. Okay, removable light. If I want to mount it here, I can mount it here with this. Actually, this is the stand with the light, which I purchased for 1200 rupees. Okay, I just removed this and I'm using this light stand as the tripod now. So this is the soft light with the 3 options, right? This is the remote. Yeah, so I'll switch off this. Okay, for now, for to take the top down shots, this tripod is pretty much useful. And with this mobile holder, I can just record selfie videos, means without the third person or the second person holding the camera and recording the videos. You can just stand in front of this stand, something like this here. Yeah, you can just hold this. Yeah, you can just open your selfie camera here, open the camera, and yes, you can try to record the selfie videos or any other video. So if you like this video, please do hit a like. And if you want the assemble of this light stand as a tripod assembly, almost this is pre-assembled. Only thing is I just mounted this one and I mounted this one. This comes separately within the package only, and this is of metal. Okay, not the plastic. This is of decent build quality, not very strong or very heavy, easy to carry. See here, easy to carry, lightweight, but this is metal. And these are plastic, the joints, these are the plastic, and this is the plastic, this is the stainless steel, this ball, and this is stainless steel, and this is plastic. Okay, this is also stainless steel. Yeah, so if you do have any other questions, you can just ask in the comments.